Welcome back to another episode of Audrey's Kitchen. I'm Audrey and today I'm going to show you tilor hoite bengena pitika, which is mashed eggplant with black sesame. Easy to make and fast, quick, very delicious. You can have with white rice and other accompanies. In my video, I am trying to show you the basic recipe. I am making this recipe for 2 persons. Eggplant, chopped onion, chopped green chillies, salt, black sesame powder. Spread some oil over the eggplant, so after roasting it is easy to peel the skin. Roast the eggplant. You can roast in oven also. I'm doing in gas stove. Roasting part is done. Here is our peeled eggplant. Chop the eggplant. You can use fork. Add salt. Add chillis. Add onion. Then the sesame powder. I prefer freshly ground sesame powder. Now mix the all ingredients. Our mashed eggplant with sesame is ready to eat. Hope you will like my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to know more Assamese recipe. Thank you very much.